Dreaming of exploring Santorini's breathtaking coastline? Dive into an adventure that will make your heart skip a beat. On our private full-day cruise, sail past iconic red and white beaches and indulge in a gourmet Greek meal on board. Or enjoy a blend of relaxation and adventure with our classic semi-private catamaran cruise, perfect for families and groups. Looking for romance? Our private sunset cruise offers a magical evening with dinner aboard as the sun sets. Short on time? Our half-day speedboat cruise delivers thrills with stops at hidden coves and volcanic springs. Look before you book. Explore boat tours and virtual reality. Book now at eberies.com.